Hello guys, today we are going to see a project demonstration of a MBA project, a study of innovation, digital transformation in banking, finance and insurance sectors through low code. So this is basically a MBA project. MBA in finance or finance background students can choose this type of projects. Actually, this project is about a digital transformation in banking sectors, banking, finance, and insurance sectors. So, uh, let us see what are the content inside this project. So, this project starts with abstract, and this is the content of this project. So, the chapters will be divided into 5 categories. So, the first chapter will be cover the introduction part, and the second chapter will be the profile of the industry, and the third chapter will be the review of literature, data analysis and interpretation at the fourth chapter, and finally the fifth chapter will covers findings, suggestions and conclusions. So this is the index page of this report. So here you can see the contents. So the complete report of 88 pages. So these are all the list of tables and list of charts, and the chapter 1 starts with introduction part. So the introduction of the study, so starts with so what are all the existing methodologies used in the bank, and why the bank or the finance or the insurance sectors requires the digital transformation. What are all the advantages of having the digital kind of thing we discussed in this first chapter, and the types of digital transformation was given, and the statement of problem. So here, what are the problems that financial and insurance sectors facing without the digital transformation will be discussed in the chapter 1.2, and the 1.3 will cover the objectives of the study. So the objective will be divided into two: the primary objective and the secondary objective. The primary objective of this study is uh, study of innovation and digital transformation in banking, finance, and insurance sector through low code, with special reference to Chennai. Actually, this thesis report was prepared for a student from Chennai, so we take reference as a Chennai city. So if you want to change the city, or if you want to update the data also, we can able to do that. So, and coming to the secondary objectives, some four different points were given, and the scope of the study was given in this chapter 1.4, and the research methodology, data collection, what are all the primary data, secondary data, what are all the sources of data, what are the sampling methods will be used, or will be discussed here. And here we use some data analysis method, called simple percentage method, chi-square analysis, and correlation. These are the three methods we used in this project, and the limitation of the study was given. And chapter 2 covers the industry profile. So generally, banking sectors in India will be discussed in this section, and chapter 3, the review of literature will be discussed. So the review of literature covers a study about the topic from different journals and different books, so that we can have an clear idea about the digital transformations happened in the world. So coming to the chapter 4, so this is the important chapter. data analysis and interpretation. So here, as we discussed earlier, a percentage analysis have been followed. So the percentage analysis required a set of questionnaires which is to be conducted as a survey with a limited number of people. So in the annexure we have attached a questionnaire. So here you can see there are questionnaires, about 22 questions, different questions, yes or no questions, some uh, comments based questions will be asked, and based upon this questionnaire we have based upon the questionnaires we have prepared this percentage analysis. So here total 20 number of respondents are participated in the questionnaire, and based upon the reply from the participant will be listed over here. So as I mentioned, so different type of age people, different type of category of people will be taken under a survey. So those response will be listed out in this table, as well as the interpretation reference was given here, and the graphical representation also uh, shown in the report. So the all the questions will be here, you can see in the all the questions. For example, here you can see this table showing the awareness in digital transformation. So from the survey we asked, do you have any awareness of digital transformation? So that question was answered by 120 participants. So from the 120 participants, 57, that is almost 47.5%, almost 50% of the respondents know about the digital transformation, and 28.3, that is around 30% of the respondents doesn't have any idea about the uh, digital transformation. Sorry, it's partially have a knowledge about digital transformation, and the 24, almost 25% of the respondents doesn't have any knowledge about the digital transformation. So I think 75% of the people have a little bit of idea on digital transformation. This was interface was given, and the graphical representation also given here. So like that, for each and every questionnaires we have made a interference and table of respondents, and the graph was given. So these are all the data collected, and the survey was made based upon the data. So this is called percentage analysis. And as I told, a few more analysis. For example, chi-square analysis. So this is a chi-square analysis. So for chi-square analysis, we need to identify the null hypothesis H0 and H1. So based upon the formula which was followed for chi-square analysis, so the chi-square test has been happened. So based upon the chi-square test, the interpretation was given. And one more method is correlation analysis. So for the correlation analysis, we required some informations which will be evaluated as per the formula, and the interpretation was written up here. And coming to the fifth chapter, which is summary of findings, suggestions and conclusions. So from this survey and from these studies, we have identified some findings. So these findings we have listed out the findings we observed, and based upon the findings we are giving some suggestions. Here the list of suggestions which was given based upon the findings. So uh, by doing this entire survey and the entire thesis, we are giving a sort of conclusion where the digital transformation advantages, disadvantages, everything was discussed, and we are giving the conclusion in this part. So at the end of the project, we have given the bibliography. In the bibliography, we have used some content from the textbooks, journals, those list of textbooks and journals listed here, and also we have some reference websites. Those websites will be discussed here, and this is the questionnaire. So totally around 52 questions were asked in this questionnaire. So this project was done for one of our student who is from Chennai, and also we are doing various kind of services like write up thesis, write up journals, and assignment box, etc. If you required any of write up services, or if you're looking for any thesis write up services, if you're looking for any plagiarism checking services, you can contact us, the number given below. Thank you. Thanks for watching.